The 2010-2015 Cadillac SRX key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Optional items include gloves to keep the circuit board clean. CR2032 batteries are widely available at retailers like Amazon and AutoZone for around $2 to $4. Ensure you have the correct battery size, as using a different size like CR2025 can cause poor contact or reduced range. Eco-friendly rechargeable or recycled CR2032 options are also available. Make sure to work in a dry area to prevent static discharge. Double-check you have all the needed items: the CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, optional gloves, and ensure you're working in a dry area. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently use your pry tool or screwdriver to separate the two halves. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the casing or internal components. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation, then carefully reassemble the key fob. Carefully reassemble the key fob. Test the functionality by locking and unlocking your doors to ensure the replacement was successful. If the fob doesn't respond, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a dealer.